Dear teachers, I have developed this video so that you don't have to hold the phone in one hand and write with the other hand, and then always change the camera from rear to front and vice versa. Because in that case, you are not able to see the children and interaction becomes difficult. In this video, I have explained the steps how you can convert your mobile camera into web camera and connect it with your laptop so that you can use both the camera, that is your mobile as well as your laptop camera, very easily. The advantage of this is you can set the mobile camera fixed at one place, that is above the page on which you will be solving or explaining the question. And in your laptop, you can easily see the students and manage them. While interacting, if you want to show yourself to the students, you can do it from your laptop by a single click. So here I am going to explain how to convert your mobile camera into web camera and link it with your laptop. The first section is you have to install Droid Cam in your phone. For that, you go to Play Store and search for Droid Cam and then install it. After installing it, you open it. Click on Open. Then your mobile screen will look like this. The next step is you have to switch on developer mode in your mobile. For that, you have to click on settings. When you will click on settings, then you scroll down. Okay, you will get an option about phone. You click on about phone. And when you will click on about phone, another menu will open. In that, you choose build numbers. Go on clicking on build numbers. Go on tabbing on build numbers unless and until at the bottom you get a message that you are a developer now. I am getting this message because I am already a developer. Step 3 is you have to turn on USB debugging. For that, in the setting menu, you choose additional settings option. And when you click on additional setting option, after that, scroll down and choose developer options or open developer options. And after that, scroll down and choose USB debugging or switch on USB debugging. And when you switch on USB debugging, a dialog box comes. This function is for developer use only. You click on OK. And then after that, you go back. Okay, keep on going back. Okay, your phone setting is over. Now since we are done with our mobile, now the next step is we have to install Droid Cam client in our laptop. For that, we have to go to Google browser and from there you search for Droid Cam client. You type there Droid Cam client and click enter. Then you choose the first option which comes, like Windows Dev for developer 47 apps. You click on that. And then after clicking on that, you choose the first option, that is, let it zoom, that is Droid Cam Client 6.2.7. As you will click on that, it will start downloading. You can see over here it is getting downloaded. After it gets downloaded, you click on it and install it. Since I have already installed, so this dialog box is coming. It will not come in your screen. After installing it, the icon of it will come in your desktop, like you see over here. Then you click on this icon to open the Droid Cam client. After opening DroidCam client in your PC, you connect your phone to PC by using data cable or USB cable. And then in your phone, you open DroidCam. The screen will look like this in your phone. Now go back to your computer, and as you can see, the DroidCam client is open, but in the device list there is nothing. So click on refresh. As you will click on refresh on your phone, in your phone now, a prompt will come. There you tick mark allow this computer for debugging and click on OK. Okay. After clicking OK in your mobile phone, you will see that in your PC the device name has come. So just click on start, and as you will click on start, you will see that your mobile phone has been linked to your PC and it is acting like a web camera. It will start acting like a webcam. Now you open Zoom app in your PC and click on setting icon, and then a menu will come. From there you choose video, click on video. After clicking on the video, you click in the box beside camera and a drop down list will come. From there you choose Droid Cam 3, Droid Cam Source 3. Okay, like this. And then you deselect mirror my video. Okay, remove the tick from mirror my video. Now you start your Zoom meeting, but as you will start your Zoom meeting, you will see that your video will come in a small box. So to make it big, you, as shown in the, you click on the three dots and choose spotlight view. Okay, spotlight, you choose spotlight. As you will choose spotlight, your video will start coming in full screen mode and it will be visible in full screen mode to all the children. While teaching, you can interact with your children anytime. There's no problem in that. Okay, you can see them in full screen, you can talk to them. But suppose if you want to show your face also, then you have to click on the arrow beside start video icon and choose your device camera name, your PC camera name. So then you will also be visible to them. They can also see your face and you can interact. This is the video of the setup which I have done to take the Zoom class. And now after this is a small clipping of my Zoom class. About the content of division. In division, you come across with these terms, that is dividend, then divisor, then you have quotient, okay, and then what else you have? Remainder. These four terms are there in division. Now let us discuss each term separately. What is dividend? What is dividend? You can raise your hand if you know the answer. What is dividend? Dividend क्या होता है? Anybody? हाथ उठाइए. Okay, Vidya Sri is raising hand.
Sir, dividend is a number that we have to divide.
Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, dividend is a number which is being divided. Okay, dividend is a number which is to be divided. मतलब dividend उस number को कहते हैं जिसको हम divide करते हैं. ठीक है? Okay. So dividend is a number which is to be divided. ठीक है, डिविडेंड वो नंबर है जिसको हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज डिवाइजर? रेज योर हैंड इफ यू नो द आंसर. व्हाट इज डिवाइजर? Okay, Mohisha, say what is divisor?
The number by which the dividend is to be divided.
Okay, very good. That means you are in page 57. Okay, okay.